In this video, we will see how we can install Anaconda on Windows 10. For this, search Anaconda download and press enter. Now click on first link. Skip registration. According to your machine, select installer. It is downloading. It will take some time according to your internet speed. After downloading, open exe file. Click next. Click on I agree. Click next. This is the destination folder where Anaconda will install. Click next. Then click install. The Anaconda installation has completed successfully. So it will take time according to your system. Click next, next, and finish. In this way, you can install Anaconda in Windows. And you can see that there are multiple applications in Anaconda Navigator that you can also install from here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.